Hi guys, I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Okay, so this week I've decided to do something a little bit different. I've decided to take on a prop firm challenge. This is totally new to me. I just normally trade live with my own money, but they seem to be really popular at the moment. Everywhere you look on YouTube at the moment, traders seem to be doing these prop firm challenges, and I just wonder what it's all about. So this is all completely new to me, so you'll be learning along with me. I'm looking at the 5%ers. I'm in no way affiliated with them, but I see that 5%ers is a very popular prop firm. There are many other prop firms as well, but 5%ers seems to have a good name. They give you unlimited time to actually pass the challenge. So essentially, if you don't know what a prop firm is, a prop firm, if you apply for one of their challenges, you pay, and there's different programs available. You pay for the challenge. You have a demo account, and you trade, and you have to meet certain profit requirements on this demo account to then get access to their own funds, and then you get a profit split. So it's a good way to obviously trade funds that you wouldn't normally have. Now, there are pros and cons of prop firm challenges, and there have been, people saying, well, it's not the way to go, whereas others saying, oh, it's quite easy to pass, and it certainly is a good idea. Um, so I'm in two minds about it, and that's why I haven't done a prop firm challenge before. And I'll be honest with you, I find them fairly confusing, as you'll see in a moment. This is the page for the 5%ers. As you can see here, the headline is "Better Funding for Trade has managed up to $4 million," and obviously that's just the headline, uh, just to get people's attention. I mean, far from it. I don't think. I think only the creme de la creme will be doing that. That's a long way off. But as you can see, you can trade forex, metals, indices, commodities, stocks, crypto. You get large varieties of things you can trade, and they have, for the 5%ers, you basically got several different programs. So you've got a boot camp, hyper growth, and high stakes. They also provide various trading resources, which I guess other prop firms will do as well. So it's trading classes, you've got an economic forex calendar, forex scalping workshop. And essentially what you do is so certainly for the 5%ers here, I'm actually using MetaTrader. So I connect my 5%ers account. So you basically sign up, register for your particular program, and then you sign up, for example, through MetaTrader, and you'll have this demo account, and then it's live, and you can trade live through MetaTrader. And here are the three programs for the 5%ers. And I'll be honest with you, I've literally just gone for the cheapest one, starting from $39. Here in the UK, it's only £30. And I've done that because, I know a lot of people fail these challenges. And, I'm not saying I'm just doing it for fun. I'd like to pass, but obviously, this is the first for me. And, I just want to see how it goes. I've chosen the high stakes as well, which I'll tell you about in a minute. It's not really high stakes. So the hyper growth one here, starting from 260. Um, Basically, how it goes is, so if off with a $10,000 account, then that starts at 260. But to get a 20,000, it's 450, 40,850. Bear in mind, these are all demo accounts, not real money that you're trading with at the moment. And then you have to, and I guess that's why it's called hypergrowth, is because there's only one stage. You literally get straight to the funding. Valuation target of 10%. You have a stop out level, so they have certain stop out levels. Unlimited time, which is a good thing about these challenges. You've got unlimited time to pass them. So that's the hypergrowth. I think boot camp here. I think this is for 95 things for beginners. Signing for bucks, account at 5%. And yet again here, so this gets a bit confusing. Initial balance is $25,000 if you do the £95 one. And that's on 100,000, and we're up to 250,000. I see. So 100,000, you start off with 25,000 on step one. You got three, yeah, and I see you can get through to 100,000. So that's $95 and 250,000, 20,000. This is what I find a bit confusing. I'll be honest with you. But I'm going to go to the high stakes one. I think I can understand. And essentially, I'm only trading with a very small account. Don't need as large prop for 9 and 5,000. I only need maximum trading period though, and take as long as I want. As long as I'm consistent, I can't have 30 consecutive days where I don't trade. I must have a minimum of 3 profitable days, and that, as you'll see, profitable means it has to be at least 0.5% profit. Now I can only have a maximum daily loss of 5%, and the maximum loss altogether is 10%. But my profit target is only 8%, costs $39, and I get a refund if I get through if I pass through the 2 stages and get onto live account, I get a refund. And then obviously it's more if you have a 10,000 account, but the targets are pretty much the same. You're just with a larger account. That's $78. I think that was actually on offer on Black Friday, but that's 165. You can start off with 100,000, and then essentially what happens is if I that's the 5,000. See if we go down here. You see they've got all the info here. Leverage 1 to 100 gives you all the rules, which obviously is a good idea to read. And it says there the platform that you have to use MT5. This trade of 5, profit split 100%, monthly fixed payout. And then here we go. So you start at the 5,000. Here, profit target, balance target 5,500, 20% ratio, and then you just keep scaling up basically. As far as I get on, that's that. Yes, they give you all the. You can ask all about fastest growth plan, no time process. So they say all the. They give you a little bit of info on it. So that's the debate. Now I only started this week, and I'll be honest with you, I normally trade with IG Index here in the UK. So I normally trade pound per pip, and the chart's completely different. So I don't normally use MetaTrader, so it's completely different. I'm having to get to trade in lots because you trade lots with forex, and that's what I'm trading. And it's difficult. I think a lot is about £10 per pip, but I'm not sure. So I'm having to get used to obviously trading lot sizes. Now I had to trade MetaTrader. I set up MetaTrader on my laptop and was trading through there, and I wanted because you can use the app, but every time I tried to find the broker 5%, it wouldn't connect on my phone. And normally this isn't always the way, but ironically it's easy to place a trade on your phone. And it took a while for the 5% to sort it out, but given their dues, they did eventually sort it out for me. So now I place the trades on the phone, but look at the charts on the laptop. So I only started this week. I've just done 3. I haven't traded today. It's Friday the 13th. It's superstitious like that. But if I show you my dashboards, this is dashboard. This is a dashboard that you'll get if I just move me up here. That you'll see here. High stakes 5,000. This box here is your profit target. This shows you where you are on the scale. So I need to get to 400. You see, I've done 480, so over 10% already to my target. And daily loss is £252 left. I've got there, so I can't exceed that. Profitable days 1 out of 3. The reason is the 3 trades. As I say, I started with this trade down here, Euro US sell. But as I say, I'm not used to lot sizes, so I only did 0.2 of a lot. And also, I didn't realise there was commission because on IG, it's included in the spread, and you don't pay any more commission. So there was commission here taken off. So, and I couldn't really I had trouble setting the actual where I wanted to take profits. You can see it's only 4 pips there, so it's only £6.80. So to get the 0.5% on a £500. That's sorry, I keep saying pounds because I'm here in the UK. It's dollars. It's $25. I need at least, so these two trades don't count. So I moved up to one lot, $4 commission, and yet again it was only one pip. I miss. That's the difference because the figures come up differently on the MetaTrader and on the app, and there was only 2 pips, but it got to what, $8 off that. It got to 44, luckily down to 36, but it counts for my one profitable trade. So as long as I get 2 more profitable trades, and the others can be any amount that I want, but I have to have these 3 profitable trades inactive days. So that will count up the amount of inactive days. It says there you can't have get my teeth in. Counts with no new orders for more than 30 consecutive calendar days will expire. So you can't have more than 30 consecutive days. And here it just tells you 3 total trades, 3 profitable. It's 100% strike rate so far. I don't think that will continue forever, but looking good so far. Best profit 36, average profit 16.26, which they think will be on the next one. Average lot trade size 106, average trade duration 22 minutes. So because I'm just getting used to lot sizes, it's not a bad start. 3 trades. I've been trading the London breakout strategy on the London Open, which you'll see on all of my videos as the strategy I like to do most of all, and I like to trade pound US and euro US as well, those 2 pairs. So yeah, it's been a good start this week, and yeah, I'll keep you updated on how it's going. I'll be trading my live account as well, but I say this is for fun, but obviously I would like to pass it as well, but one step at a time. I've got to pass this first level first of all, and there's no rush, so I don't want to rush it. But end of the year, coming up into the new year, it's a different string to my bow, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, if you want to see how I actually do my strategies and that, you can watch my videos at Running Trader. Go along there, subscribe, have a look at my videos.